Well, guys, just relaxing. You know, thinking about a lot of things. We're at the end of the year now, guys. The end of the year. What does 2026 hold in our future? Hopefully, it holds the same as it did for me in 2025. Just relaxing and enjoying my life. What up, people? So, if you guys are doing an engine rebuild, I wanted to put this out here to show you guys real quick. Attention! Follow the engine break-in procedures for the first 1,000 miles. And this is what you're supposed to do, guys. If your mechanic don't tell you, it's right here. Number 1, use conventional motor oil. Do not use synthetic. It's number 1. Number 2, do not idle engine for more than 5 minutes at any one time. That's a big deal, guys. When you're breaking it in for the first 1,000 miles, you cannot idle it because it hasn't been seated yet. You cannot do that. You're going to mess the engine up. Number 3, operate your engine under moderate to heavy load weight at mid to high RPMs as much as possible. So you want to break it in the way you're going to drive it. You don't want to baby it. And then change the oil after the first 1,000 miles. You may use synthetic oil after that, following the procedures. So there you go. Who wants to hear it start up for the very first time? We have it on video. So this thing hasn't even been started yet. And all you guys that fuck with me, rock with me, get to hear it start up for the very first time. I recorded the whole journey in this rebuild. It's going to be in my members only video. But I didn't want to leave you guys out. So here's the engine starting for the first time.
Here we are. Start it up. As smooth as whiskey, brother. This thing is driving beautifully. I think I want to go drive for you. I really like this truck. You're not supposed to downshift right now. You're not some RPMs go too high either.